One of my favorite VR games. It's available on the Quest 2, PCVR, PSVR. Just got an update yesterday. Might actually be 2 days ago by the time this video goes live. And they sent us a box to commemorate the update. I'm pretty excited to see what's inside of this. We're gonna open it up, although it's quite a beating in shipping right here. It looks like somebody anger punched this thing, but hopefully everything inside is okay. Just be extra careful when you're unboxing something, especially when it looks like it got hurt in shipping. Always use that small, sharp unboxing knife. Boy, they really taped this thing up. They did not want it getting messed up in shipping, and look what happened anyways. Apparently we get the box open and we've still got some mystery. We've got some sort of a black book. We've got a black bag, a pretty cool card, a sealed envelope. Oh no! Well, they actually stuck the sticker on here, so I guess I didn't get to keep the sticker and use it anyways, but it also, in the beating, got destroyed. It's cool that the sticker's in there, but I'm a little sad it's like attached to the box. Maybe there's another one in here. I won't cry just yet. This is some pretty cool showmanship on the stuff in the box, I gotta say. We've got a bond certificate from Pistol Whip to JayBratt. Company hereby acknowledges it is indebted to the recipient of this contract for $18 million.
$1 million.
This is pretty cool. I'm guessing this is kind of like a hit contract, but they probably, you know, at the same time want to make it not sound too un-PC. Okay, that's sweet. It's really tying into apparently what the update's about. I actually haven't gotten to play it because I've been traveling and I was gone, but I know it's called contracts. It definitely looks like it's a Hitman kind of thing. What have we got in this Bounty Raid Ultimatum bag here? Ah, okay, they're definitely leaning into the John Wick side here. If you haven't seen John Wick, there's like these gold coins that they use as currency between all the hitmen. All these assassins all around the world use these gold coins to pay for stuff because it's like this underground currency that only they have. So they've sent us, wow, there's some weight to this. It says completed. So basically, I guess the idea is that you'd get one of these for each hit you take and finish. Card says June 16th, 2022. Need a game key for Pistol Whip? Contact us. I think I have some game copy. I might have actually paid for it on all my platforms. And then last, we've got this leather bound booklet here, which is actually just useful. It's just got nice open pages. Gorgeous. Okay, this is really freaking cool. This is, I think, only the maybe third loot box gaming package we've ever gotten, but this is really well done, really on point with the theme of the game, and I'm really excited. So if you haven't checked out the update, I would definitely recommend you go check it out. And if you still haven't tried the game, you've got to just get the game. Pistol Whip is like one of my top games. It's like if Beat Saber and Super Hot had a baby and it was just an awesome rhythm-based shooter. And it was actually the favorite game when we were showing VR off at that anime convention we were at. People who came in, they tried Beat Saber, Job Simulator, or Pistol Whip, and it quickly became the favorite of the whole event. It's just that cool. Makes you feel like John Wick when you play it. So a huge thank you to Cloudhead Games for all of this. I'm really excited about it. Thank you to all of you who are here. We're really close to 20K thanks to all of you. So thank you again, and I will see you in another reality.